Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. It's a smart dimmer switch.
Yeah, smart dimmer switch made by Teckin.
Let me open it.
Go ahead and open that, Anna. It's a smart dimmer switch to control the lights in your room. You can dim them. It has the capability of being controlled from your phone app. And here's the wiring. Go ahead and turn that. There you go.
Do you know how to do that?
Oh, we're gonna certainly try.
Don't.
And it can work with Alexa or Google Home devices. Yeah, it's a smart dimmer switch. Let me see the front of it.
We got
So it comes with your wall plate. I see instructions. Yeah, it comes with the hardware we need to install it, install the wiring. So let's go ahead and take a look at the manual, and we'll go ahead and install it. Okay, we're going to take our old light plate off. So after you snap the base plate back on, you can go ahead and turn on the breaker switch. If everything is wired correctly, the Teckin smart switch will light up green at the bottom here. Now that we have the app downloaded and set up, we can control the brightness of the light. Here we have it at 100%. I can control it. It's 81%, 39%. You can dim it all the way down as far as you want. That's 6%. And you can turn it off. Turn it back on. Bring it up to 95%. Okay, we're going to now demonstrate the Smart Life app for the Teckin Smart Light Switch. Got Annalisa right here, and she's got the app downloaded to her phone. Let's go through some of the settings of what it does. Okay, turn it this way a little bit. Okay, so right now we get the light powered on, and that is the mode for nighttime. What's that one?
Read.
That's for reading. Of course, it's going to be brighter. And you can see the dots here on the light switch itself will go up.
Working.
Working.
Leisure.
Leisure.
And that's it.
Okay, so now why don't you go ahead and control the dimness by yourself.
How do I?
There you go. So there's a switch here. We can control the brightness of the lights. And all you need is a Wi-Fi signal for your phone, and you can control your light from really anywhere in the whole world. This is kind of good if you're like away on vacation and you want to make it look like someone's home. Go ahead and turn your bedroom light on for a while. Then turn it off. People think you're home. So the Teckin Smart Switch will also work with Alexa and Google Home. With those devices, you can automatically turn your lights on and off by voice command. So we will put a link for the Teckin Smart Switch where you can purchase this on Amazon. We'll put in the link below. And we thank you for watching our channel.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.